3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Autonomous begins. We see Graffiti going up for a note. Cyberhawks looking to maybe contest some of those middle notes, unfortunately grabbing 2, and we see a penalty from the ref. Red, though, looking to do much the same. They're also grabbing those. That's Mukwonago going up for a long shot, a little to the left as Autonomous expires. They do come away with the advantage, though. Both alliances scoring 2 notes into their speakers, respectively. Some quick shots from 9990. That's Mukwonago spares, feeding their partners Mukwonago and Hill Toopers, who are still spending time cleaning up some of those notes on their side of the field. Cyberhawks maybe having some mechanical issues. It looks like there may be a note lodged into their robot. An unfortunate break, but their partners are here to save the day. Terra Cyborg going in with 1 in the amp. Both of these alliances activating that cooperation light. Both of them that note threshold lowered to 15. As Red already 2 more in that amp, meaning that they are amplified. Mukwonago and Mukwonago going up. That's 10 points in there for the Red Alliance, starting to build a lead, 46 to 22. Hill Toopers swerving across the field. They're going up. Looks like they may be feeding their partners or potentially even the drivers as that note goes out of the field into the driver's station. Blue is amplified in 1 shot from Graffiti, 1 barely missing from Terra Cyborg. They're going to try to pop it in. Instead, going for that amp, loading up for another amplification cycle. A quick score and amp bot in 8880 Terra Cyborg. Still feeding, though. That's Mukwonago. They're going up at the center of the field, launching those notes. As long as they're in that center neutral zone, these bots can launch those notes as far as they want. If they're in their opponent's zone, they cannot do that. 9990 going in with the note. It looks like Red B is amplified. They are just as amplification expires. Mukwonago launches 1 in, only for 2 points. Cyberhawks, they were stuck, but they've pivoted to defense now with their actuator having those issues, that note stuck in there. As we see Hill Toopers for Red in their alliance's source, attempting to grab a note from a human player. Terra Cyborg, they've got a note right in front of them. They're going up with it. Let's see if they can make it in. They're going for that amp, going for another amplification cycle as their partners Graffiti have a note in tow, lined up against the subwoofer, up and in, 2 points. Both of these alliances have achieved that melody bonus as it stands. So both of these alliances will be going home with at least 1 rank point. Those stage zones are protected as we see Mukwonago, Hill Toopers, and Mukwonago parking. 2 up for Blue, and that could be the difference here to narrow that gap in qualification match 43. We have the scores from that last match, and the win is going to go home with your Red Alliance. 84 to 46. Red Alliance coming home with the victory and all 4 rank points. That's the 2 for the win, 1 for the melody bonus, and the ensemble RP earned for a G4